This is the second video on how to get relief from bug bites. I developed this myself. It works. It's great. But I want to explain how a bug bites you and why you can't get relief. These are for mosquitoes, spiders, your common little critters. Anyway, this is a chamois right here, which has holes in it, which it represents simulated human skin with pores. Okay, and it's going to work great for mine. This little bug, and you can see it's got eyeballs and wings. My daughter helped make it. You can see the shadow right there. It is a little hypodermic plastic needle for feeding small animals. I mean, it doesn't have a needle in it, whatever. The green stuff in here represents infected saliva or whatever the bug puts in your skin. Okay? Now let me tell you a story, and if this has happened to you. You wake up in the morning, okay? And all of a sudden you feel this small itch either on your ankle or your leg or between your toes. And you know in your heart, if you itch that, it's just going to go crazy with itching. So what do? You think, God, I got to go to sleep, and you know, something has bit me and it's itching. And I'm going to explain why this happens, how it happens, how to fix it. It's like in the movie Dune. If you want to destroy something, you must fully understand it. And I only do these videos once. I don't know how to edit. I'm an old man. So bear with me because I'm ad-libbing this as I go along. So you wake up at night or in the morning and you have this itch and you know it's going to get worse. And of course you never felt the bug when it was biting you, mainly because when the bug bites, they're so small that you're not going to feel it unless maybe it's a biting fly or something like that. But what we have is our little bug here with his venom. Not venom, I'm sorry. It's infected saliva, basically. Now, how a bug finds you? They can smell. Bugs can smell. They follow your carbon dioxide trail to your body. They do it at night. They do it during the day. And what happens is the bug gets on you and you start moving. So the bug bites you to make you to stop moving. It'd be like if you stepped on Godzilla's foot and you didn't know it was Godzilla, and he started moving and you started to stab him to stop moving. Generally, when a bug bites you, they will, or a spider or a flea, and I will show you this in real time, they bite between 8 and 10 times, sometimes even more. That's why you'll feel a rash, say, on your skin, but you don't know exactly where, because you can't see the bite. Well, I'm going to show you how you can see the bite and how you can fix the bite. So what we have here, I'll have to do this one-handed. This is why itch medicines won't work. Okay? This is, I got this from the doctor. This is really good stuff for numbing the skin. This stuff you get by the store, and this is another one I got from the doctor. Okay? Now, they all work if you can get to the source of the itching, but you can't. The body takes about 2 days, I mean at least mine does, to internally send antibodies or whatever, I'm not a doctor, to the itch site and kill the bacteria in it. So what we have is this. How many minutes I got left here? Okay, I'm going to go on the next video.